Some people don't realize your value when they have you. They take your presence for granted. They ignore your effort. They disrespect your silence. And one day, they lose you. Not because you shouted, not because you fought, but because you quietly walked away. Psychology says something powerful. People don't regret what they lose immediately. They regret it when they feel the absence. Today, I'll tell you 7 silent ways. No drama, no begging, no revenge, just growth, just calm, just transformation. These 7 behaviors don't chase attention. They create regret naturally. Watch till the end, because the last point changes everything. 1. Stop explaining yourself. The first silent move is simple. Stop explaining. Psychology says this clearly. People who over-explain seek validation. People who stop explaining show confidence. When someone misunderstands you, let them. When someone questions your decision, stay calm. When someone doubts your intentions, remain silent. Silence makes people uncomfortable because silence forces them to think. Explaining gives them control. Silence takes it back. When you stop defending yourself, people start wondering, did I judge too fast? Did I make a mistake? You don't need to prove your worth. Your presence was proof, and your absence will be louder. 2. Improve quietly. The second way is dangerous, but powerful. Improve quietly. Don't announce your goals. Don't post every step. Don't seek applause. Psychology calls this silent growth. When people see you later, better, stronger, smarter, calmer, it shocks them. Why? Because they expected you to break. They expected regret. They expected weakness. But they see evolution, and evolution hurts egos. Quiet improvement creates curiosity. Curiosity creates comparison. Comparison creates regret. You didn't change for them. You changed for yourself. And that is the most painful realization for them. 3. Become less available. Availability defines value. This is pure psychology. The more available you are, the more you are taken for granted. When you leave and stop being easily accessible, no instant replies, no emotional availability, no always being there, people feel the loss. They realize you're not there anymore. Distance creates reflection. Reflection creates regret. You don't disappear to punish. You disappear to protect your peace. And in that silence, they finally hear your value. 4. Master emotional control. Nothing scares people more than calm energy. When you don't react, when you don't argue, when you don't beg, you win silently. Psychology says emotional reactions give power to others. Control takes it back. When they expect anger, give calm. When they expect drama, give silence. When they expect weakness, give balance. This confuses them. They can't read you. They can't control you. And people regret losing what they can't control. 5. Upgrade your environment. People notice energy before words. When you change your environment, better habits, better people, better mindset, your energy shifts. You speak less. You smile calmly. You move with purpose. They feel it. Psychology calls this status elevation. Not money, not fame, but self-respect. And self-respect is magnetic. They realize you weren't holding them back. They were holding you back. That realization hurts. 6. Become consistent. Consistency is silent dominance. Anyone can be motivated for a week. Few stay disciplined for months. When you show up daily, without announcing, without complaining, people notice the gap. They see their excuses. They see your discipline. Psychology says consistency creates identity. You become reliable. You become solid. You become respected. And people regret losing someone stable when their own life feels unstable. 7. Be happy without them. This is the final move, and the strongest one. Be happy without them. Not fake happiness. Real peace. Laugh naturally. Live fully. Sleep calmly. Nothing creates regret like seeing someone you thought would suffer living peacefully without you. Psychology says this triggers ego loss. They ask themselves, was I ever special? Did I even matter? You don't answer. You just live. And sometimes your happiness becomes their lesson.